Did you know there's a secret lab in Britain working to prevent AI from taking a dangerous turn? Imagine a place where top scientists are hunting for hidden threats in the algorithms that could one day control everything, from our cars to our cities. This isn't a sci-fi movie, it's happening right now. The New York Times takes us inside a British lab that's on the front lines of protecting humanity from the darker side of artificial intelligence. They're asking the big questions. Can we predict when AI might go rogue? And more importantly, can we stop it? With AI evolving faster than ever, this lab could hold the key to ensuring our future is safe, secure, and still under human control. Want to know more about the people racing against the clock to safeguard our tech-driven world? Stay tuned and share your thoughts below.